QAD Quality Management CEBOS MQ1 enables the effective enterprise by helping you improve customer service and product quality, while improving scrap and yield ratios and reducing cost. CEBOS MQ1 supports improvements in key metrics by providing a quality management solution that integrates process data, automates required business processes, and complies with standards. CEBOS MQ1 offers complete document control, closed-loop problem tracking, automation of required product planning documentation, integrated employee training, support for any type of audit, inspection, and statistical process control. You access key metrics from your customized home page. Pre-built to highlight issues and facilitate management by exception. CEBOS MQ1 is built around a workflow engine with notifications. It gathers all of the tasks assigned to you and lets you process each one from a single place with your digital signature. A central repository maintains all types of documents, standard operating procedures, quality documents, drawings, and more. With complete revision control and an automated multi-step approval process. CEBOS MQ1 tracks any type of problem or issue. Here's an open item list. Templates identify required tasks and automate the workflow, usually different for each type of item. You can also use CEBOS MQ1 to manage internal or external audits, ensuring you follow a well-defined process using standard audit questions, and tracking all related documents, in this case a non-conformance report, ensuring issues found during an audit don't fall between the cracks. Integrated corrective action, preventative action processes tie into employee training, making sure your team keeps up with evolving job requirements. CEBOS MQ1 also supports a formalized product planning process, including the creation of process flow, failure mode and effects analysis, control plans, PPAP, and more, tying everything into a continuous closed-loop improvement process, complete with integrated data collection and statistical process control. QAD Quality Management CEBOS MQ1 will help you integrate related process data, automate required business processes, and comply with the latest standards, increasing customer satisfaction through higher quality and improved responsiveness, ensuring compliance with quality standards, and reducing costs from waste and returns, while providing the means to eliminate repeat problems. QAD, enabling the effective enterprise.